As an educator, you've possibly let your wellness slide and your stress levels rise. But as an educator, you know that you can't pour from an empty cup, and you need to serve yourself before you can serve the students around you. So as a wellness practitioner with expertise in stress and anxiety management, I offer you now the opportunity to experience wellness on a whole new level. Wellness that really transforms your life, not only now for the next 2 or 3 minutes, but long term, so that you can be productive as you wish, so that you can achieve your goals, and that you can have the relationships with your students and your fellow staff members that you desire. Now, if this sounds like something that you would like to experience, I invite you to let me come in as your accountability practitioner. I can work with you one-on-one, or I can come into your school with workshop material that we work together in different teams to create the best possible solution for you and your team members. I also have the option of an online webinar, which is just as powerful and just as much fun. So see which one works for you. Engage with a conversation with me on helen@helenhansen.co.za, and let's see how we can bring more wellness into your life and into the lives of those who you impact on.